check. Nebaga manasa sura cash. Kaneseke zanga ndazinateka zonso teka kamwe ifulo kuyamba mwaba nako nazo basini. Afande sifa wanga tumpatise. Afande sifa wanga. Njagara sente zange kodi noziki banja. Siri mula rusigeze ku kodi ndala. Afande
soko mpuliri.
Sifa wanga
soko mpuliri. Soko mpuliri.
This is it.
I have done everything.
But what I'm telling you is this. You listen.
I've done everything. They don't give me my money. Why?
Get up somewhere.
I'm not leaving this place until I get my money. Tell the court to give me my money.
You're not leaving.
I'm not leaving. I want my money.
You're not leaving.
Beat me, do everything. I'm here. I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die because of my money. I'm ready to die here. I want my money. Yes, but I want my money. This court has made me to suffer because of my money. Which means we move them up by abantu banji bamumba mugwanga bamanga nekola yakafuna je kutukunyanga abanaku.
You are blocking court.
Let me block it because I want I'm demanding court.
You mean court will not operate? Court. You mean court will not operate?
They will not operate until they give me my money.
So you are closing the court.
Because I gave them my money
Okay,
cash.
can you open the